The regenerating salt is required for the internal water softening unit of the MELAtherm 10 Evolution. The capacity depends on the set water hardness. Should the filling level be insufficient, a corresponding display notification will be issued. Please confirm the display message. Open the door and remove the basis basket. The salt container cover can now be opened. Please fill the container with regenerating salt using the filling funnel. Please use solely coarse-grained salt for regeneration. Remove the salt residue on the filling opening before closing. Then, insert the basis basket without instruments and wait 3 minutes. Finally, please start the rinse program.